Now you can conduct training webinar for your employees, partners, or customers directly from BaseOn. We put at your disposal an integrated system for organizing your own company's webinars, and it includes the ability to implement live online training or presentations, a presenter's panel with which you can control the course of the webinar, functions for sharing training or product presentations, a chat window so that participants can communicate with you during the webinar, and an option to organize surveys during the webinar so you can not only quickly conduct a live survey but immediately get a report on the participants' responses. The system records the webinar, which you can bookmark company knowledge base and make it available to those who could not participate live. All success begins with knowledge. With BaseOn, you have it in one place.